How to fix TikTok comments not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok comments not showing on Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps and then apps again and go to TikTok and then click force stop, and here you will find storage and then click clear cache and enable all of those here, and go to data usage, enable background data, and now just go back, restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.